Good morning. Today is Monday, June 15th, and that means it's weigh-in and measurement day. Before I start with that, I want to tell you about my 60 miles in 30 days challenge and how I'm doing with that. To date, I have finished 31.07 miles, and I am feeling really good about that. Starting yesterday, I started walking 3 miles, and on yesterday I walked 3.21 miles, and it took me exactly 1 hour. That was 7.2K steps and 421 calories burned. However, today I walked the exact same route, and I did it in a tiny fraction of a time shorter, and I did it in 59.46 hours, and again it was the same distance, and still 421 calories burned. So I really love this app. I am going to try and pull it in so you guys can see. There we go. So that was today. So I think I'm doing okay on that. I only have 2 weeks to go before the end of the month, so I need to keep increasing. If I keep 3 miles a day, then I should be able to get 60 miles in this month. Okay, so here we go with the numbers. They're not fantastic, but any loss is loss, and that's a positive. So this week I only lost 1.5 pounds. Oh well. And I only lost 1.4 inches. Oh no, reverse that. I lost 1.5 inches and 1.4 pounds. Here is my spreadsheet. And I did handwrite some stuff on there, but that's okay. Just because I had it wrong and I corrected it. Didn't want to reprint it. So that's how I'm doing. I do not know why my calves are not losing any inches, because I mean, I'm walking. I'm booking it whenever I'm walking. I'm not going slow. I've actually increased my speed to where my pace is 18 minute miles instead of 19-minute miles. Today I practiced my gait when I'm walking, and normally it's a walk like this, and this time a few times for like 2 minutes at a time, I lengthened my step. I made it a longer step. And I could feel that in my hips for sure when I went back to my regular step. I'm not thrilled with my numbers, but that's okay. I was very, very active this weekend out in my yard. On Saturday, I mowed the front and backyard. I know I did something else. I just can't remember what it is. And then on Sunday, I edged my yard, and I installed 2 outdoor ceiling fans. And that was after my walks, and I was sweating. I sweat so much. I came in right around 12:30 or 1 and took a shower and put on some really comfortable clothes and ate and just stayed on the couch the rest of the day. I was very, very tired. I think one of the big differences now from when I first started the Optavia program is I'm not writing down my food intake, whether it's my fuelings or my whatever I'm eating. And I think I need to go back to that. So I'm going to be placing my next order in about a week, and I'm going to add a book to that, another book to log in. I know I could probably make a log sheet, especially since I've created this body management sheet, but it's just easier to have that little book to carry things around, and I can see a whole week in one on one page, and I like that. So I'm going to go back to that, and let's see if that makes a difference for the next 30-day cycle, which is that will start on July 4th. I'm probably going to order a lot of the same foods in this next order because I do like what I have. There are things I'm probably going to do without. Um, I'm not going to order any more mashed potatoes. I have so many mashed potatoes right now, different flavors of mashed potatoes, that I don't know that I'm going to get through them before the end of this month. I had so many, I still had about 4 packs left at the end of last month, and then I just added 4 more boxes on. So they're really good. They're easy to make, but it's hot, so I'm going to be opting for a lot more shakes and bars. I wish I'd ordered more strawberry shakes because it's super easy. I put it in the shaker bottle, and I get with a few ice cubes and the little ball that comes in it, and it's good to go. It's perfect that way. Sometimes I make it with just with water, and sometimes I make it with the almond milk. Um, it's better with the almond milk. It has a little bit more flavor to it, unsweetened almond milk, but just depends on where I am and when I'm making it and if I have that available to me. I think that's it. Just a short little video on how I'm doing. Like I said, I'm not pleased with my numbers, but they are numbers and they are decreasing. So I'm going to be a little bit happy for that. Um, I'm just going to keep working on it. I think I'll be picking up a bicycle next weekend or this coming weekend, hopefully, and I can change what I'm doing as far as my workout is concerned. Also, I'm going to start doing more sit-ups and crunches and planks and working on my core and my arms at home in the air conditioning. Maybe even in the evenings. I don't know. I need to start working on that more because there's been no change in my arms. I mean, it's been at 17 inches um, this whole time. So if I went back and look at the history, it hasn't changed. But I see a change. I see a change when I look down and I don't see as big of a stomach as I used to have. I don't see a change here yet. Other people have seen it. And that's good. I mean, that people are noticing is good. I'm loving the weight loss. I mean, overall, I have lost 20.4 pounds. 20.4 pounds. That's something to be very excited about. I am excited about that. And I need to continue. Remember, I started at 235 and I am down to 214.6. So that is a big deal. That is a big deal. In 6 weeks. 7 weeks. 7 weeks. So I'm really pleased with that. My dog is hearing other dogs barking, so sweet girl. Anyway, that's all. I hope y'all have a great day and see you in a couple of days. Bye.